Hi everyone. This is the Harley-Davidson Road King Special Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, a heavyweight icon transformed into a refined stereo bagger, carrying the proud name WELTERWEIGHT. At the heart of this machine beats a Harley-Davidson Stage 3, 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine. With diamond-cut cylinders and heads, paired with a Freedom Performance Custom 2-in-1 exhaust, it delivers raw muscle, a thunderous tone, and commanding presence at every twist of the throttle. The wheels are a bold statement on their own, a 26-inch fat spoke wheel in the front and a 16-inch rear wrapped in white walls, combining vintage attitude with modern stance. The bodywork flows seamlessly, featuring an FL-style stretched front fender, Yaffe stretch tank, and a Dirty Bird stretch tank console. The Topshop Money Maker body kit and bags, together with the Baddad Race Series Tour Pack, create a stretched, low-slung silhouette. Finishing touches include a Dirty Bird custom headlight nacelle, a Dirty Bird chin spoiler, twisted 8-leg fairings, and flush-mounted fuel components, all designed to push style to the edge. Underneath, performance meets comfort. A Dirty Air full front and rear air ride with instant air control allows the rider to change stance on demand, while HHI 6-piston brakes and an MRI centerstand add stopping power and stability. Lighting takes it into the future with a custom Dynamics LED headlight, full LED underglow, and Baddad Design's front signals, all making sure this bagger glows with personality, day or night. And when it's time to ride to your soundtrack, the WELTERWEIGHT stereo system by Area 51 Customs delivers pure power and clarity. Every detail is finished with precision, from bikini beach bars, chrome hand controls, Arlen Ness mirrors, and Baddad Design's foot controls to a practical 4-point docking station. The ride is completed with a custom seat upholstered to perfection, ensuring comfort without compromising style. The WELTERWEIGHT, it's a full symphony of style, performance, and presence. Built to ride hard, built to show, and built to stand apart.
Je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein du haut en bas. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur s'interpelle après fracas. Apostrophe, tu sais ta page, pour jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des gens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons. Toreador, en garde, toreador, toreador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toreador, l'amour t'attend. on fait silence, à quoi ça passe-t-il? Plus d'écrit, c'est la sang, plus d'écrit, c'est la sang. Le taureau se lance en bandissant, auditorie. Il s'élance, il entre et frappe, en chevelure, entraînant en pique d'or. Ah, bravo taureau, il le foule, le taureau va, il vient, et frappe encore, en secouant ses banderilles, plein de fureur il coule, le cirque est plein de sang, en ses sauts, on franchit le cri, c'est un temps maintenant, allons, en garde, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, une noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend.
Thanks for watching.